$30,000 from Tutu. She is born and grew in Kingston as well, from 2nd Street. And when you brought tears to her eyes to really see what you've been going through, you know, because she called me, she been crying, you know, and she feel it for you. So she sent 30,000, you know, to help towards food, because that's what our main concern, you know. You want to cry. Don't hold it back. If you want to let it out, you let it out. You understand?
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose my faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
It's amazing.
You make amazing videos, and the song is just amazing.
Oh, when it started.
Yes.
Oh, you go. You know it? Wait, you know it? I don't remember it.
I know it, but
You
I
don't know what them a pre-boat? Is that one? A keynote. Oh. Yeah. Say they want clean, but I like that. Yeah. Yeah. Come. Yeah. See, we finally meet. Yeah. You're gonna continue watching. You're gonna see yourself. Big guy. Hey. How you saw? Which way? This.
I'm gonna show you how you do it. Like.
Okay, so go cover. So, bam. Alright, the wrong way. This one, bam. Have you used one and a two and?
Show him. Come.
Oh, so you have the wrong.
So.
Oh.
And then.
Oh. Let me see. Come. So, boom, and that. And the art page, the art now. Right, yeah.
My friend.
Yeah, what's your name?
Biggest fan.
Yeah, you're my biggest fan.
Yes, and I wanted a Kino shirt. I wanted to take vaccination so I could get a Kino shirt.
Okay, alright then, I'm gonna get you. What size you wear?
Mommy, what size I wear again?
Okay, what size she wears? So she want a Kino shirt.
To wear
It's kids anyway.
7/8.
Yeah, 7/8. Alright, and I'm getting a shirt, yeah?
Thank you.
nationally wear though, you're coming
Yeah, when you go, you're not going for now.
when I hear finish, I put more believe. But my sister lives on the building, I say now.
Yeah. Where's sister?
Danny, I don't know if you know. They said it. As I go up on the step, the first door.
Okay.
First door, so.
Look, you know it, right?
Because no.
Alright, look, you know, so look, we'll drop it off then.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so Kino gonna work now, right?
My name is Kylie.
Kylie, nice meeting you.
Yay.
My #1 fan.
Okay, mommy, now I get to see
Yeah, I went
leave
faith.
my mother over there.
Mama, tu anak
Every day. If me I leave the house, I have to leave the TV from Kino.
Yeah.
So when you see the shirt, I was like, she excited. I said, Mommy, Kino is here. I want to see Kino. So me I said, what Kino there? Realize that the shirt she see some off is Kino there. And them say, yes, I'm sorry to tell Kino, so my daughter wants to see her.
Yeah, sure. A friend in me. All right, my friend. You're my friend. Indeed. All right, man. Big man. There we go.
And then it goes going there.
Raquel. Oh, go on. How you doing?
Not bad.
Not bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, the last video they touch a lot of people. Did touch a lot of people, you know. And
I see it.
you see, you know, it's been a touching moment. Very sad, you know, and yes, Raquel, because even me, it touched me to know where that I go through. You understand? It's really, really touching, and you got viewers that call me and people donate towards, you know, and them also have family in the same situation. And you also have nurse, more than one nurse is contact me as well to and say, there's nothing where you have to worry about once you take your medication. Because you know, people live with this for a lifetime. You know, so the more you take the medication, it's better for you. So it won't develop into AIDS, you know. Because them say, people live with that. It's not a death sentence. You know, so you don't have to worry, because you have to be strong for your daughter. You know, you have to be there. Because I realize you're a good man and them see the struggle. So people see what you're going through and understand. You see me? So just don't worry about nothing, you know? Yeah, so don't worry about anything. And I'm bringing some support as well, because I said people them reach out. You know, people them say, oh, you stay on medication. You still have medication?
I take the last Wednesday, the last day, but I talked to my doctor and she said she made me get some on Monday. They normally carry medication.
They normally carry?
Only when I go up there, it's when I have appointment.
Okay, that's the only time in your appointment. So, oh, about your daughter?
No, she now work up in Kilo. September last September.
Okay.
Yeah, she have medication.
She have medication?
Yeah, and I won't finish.
Yeah. So, and that's good. That's the main thing. Once you take them on time, everything will be alright. Yeah, so as the grandmother said, don't be ashamed of what you're going through. You understand? Because people live with it, because them can reach through. So once I take the medication, trust me, them say everything will be alright. So the nurse must tell us that don't worry yourself. You know, them say don't worry. Just once you take your medication on time, everything will be alright. So I'm going to definitely try to make sure you have food, because that was your main concern. Because you can't take the medication without food, right? Or you're kind of sick now. You have the flu?
When I catch a cold to get up on me the after, I'm going to go to the beach.
Oh, so So you know you can't do that. Hot and cold, that you know. So you take something for you?
Yeah, and then it's anti-jar, which
Yeah. I will bring us some groceries as well too. Bring us some groceries. So this grocery is from Danny from the US. Yeah. This is next bag as well too. And you have also a egg. Which way you keep? Which way you stay, right? Don't you have to stay?
yeah, from, as I tell you that, my brother, from status, and show my face, and I tell him that I want somewhere, that I can stay. And I tell you, that be the look of it, and I'm going to stuff. But I'm a father, for me,
Okay. But if you can try to speak louder when you speak, yeah? So we can hear. So upon this building your father lives?
yeah, in this.
The grill up one? Okay. You mean there now? I'm gone.
I'm going to see.
Yeah, because I don't really remember him, so you'd have to go show me.
My Rasta.
My Rasta. If you once I see him, you probably remember him and everything. So him kind of assist you in some way, right? So eat anything from morning? Your daughter eat already and she have medication. Oh, listen.
The nurse, I tell you only, I will tell you, the normal do medication from Jimmy. Only when you go, I wait to make appointment up there, we go from home.
Okay. So you have to wait till Monday. We're not supposed to have miss, you know?
Wednesday.
Oh, Wednesday. You can go? Okay. Oh, that reasons. Yeah. So you're not supposed to have miss. You're supposed to have miss any day? You're not supposed to have miss though. So now you try to prevent that from happening again another time. You're not supposed to have miss it, right? So you must always have it. Anytime you see that run out, just try at least a week in advance, you know? So you can go and have it. So you see this grocery now? We did that and you have the egg. Yeah, you can call somebody to put it on for you. Yeah. So you can tell Danny, his name is Danny from the US, you know, so whenever I'm giving anything, I say tell them thanks, show them my gratitude, so they understand, yeah?
Thanks, Danny, to all the food and so forth. God bless you, and I really appreciate it. Yeah, thanks for everything, and I hope God bless you and keep you for the support that you have sent for me.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. So, you know, as we explain, you know, most of them don't understand the situation with it. Then send them regards and say, yo, tell her that the HIV is nothing for you to worry about because you can live with it. You know, once you take your medication, you know, it's not a death sentence. So you have to be there for your daughter. Yeah? And I got some donation for you as well too. Yeah, so here, each time you count it, you just tell them the person them thanks same way, like what you just done, right? So this is not to buy food, make sure you always have food to take your medication. Right? And the grocery if you know so you always have food. To when the time right, we can try to assist you with a place, but no, you have so much place to deal with at the minute. So the main thing try to make sure you have some form of financial support. Yeah? So this one is from Anonymous, person known as Anonymous from the UK. Yeah, they know themselves. So this is Anonymous from the UK, $20,000. So you just count it. Just count it first. That's Anonymous. You can tell Anonymous thanks from the UK.
Anonymous from the US.
UK.
From the UK. I want to thank you for this very much. God bless you and appreciate you. And I thank you very much. Thanks for the support. God bless you.
Yeah.
Make sure God will keep you all the time. Thanks for the support.
Yeah. And we also have Miss Lizzie from Brockley, London. $9,000 from Miss Lizzie. Just count it. That's Miss Lizzie from Brockley. From London. From London.
Miss Lizzie from London, thank you very much for the support. And I really appreciate it. And God bless you and keep you all the time, because see that I'm in need, and God bless you and keep you. Thanks for the support very much. Thanks.
Yeah. Yeah, also from Unknown. This person is from Jamaica as well too. Unknown from H.I.V. $3,000. You wanna be unknown. He's from H.I.V. Jamaica.
This person that is unknown from H.I.V. thank you very much. I don't know you, but God bless you and keep you. And thanks for the support.
Yeah.
Thanks very much.
And also from another Anonymous. This is from the US. Anonymous from the US. $7,000 from Anonymous from the US.
Anonymous from the UK.
US.
From the US. Thank you very much. I really appreciate for everything that everyone has done for me, and thank you for supporting me. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Yeah. Mike Duffy from the UK. $9,000 from Mike Duffy.
Mike?
Yeah, Mike Duffy from the UK. So it's Mike Duffy.
Mike Duffy from the UK.
Yeah.
I don't know you. And you see that God will bless you for this what you give me. And thank you very much. And I really appreciate it. God bless you.
And this is $30,000 from Tutu. She is born and grown in Trenchtown as well, from 2nd Street. And when you brought tears to her eyes to really see what you've been going through, you know, cause she called me, she been crying, you know, and she feel it for you. So she sent 30,000, you know, to help towards food, because that's what our main concern, you know. You want to cry. Don't hold it back. If you want to let it out, you let it out. We understand. You understand, yeah? You understand. So this is 30,000 from Tutu. She's from 2nd Street. She lives in the USA. Yes. So her name is Tutu. She born and grew in Trenchtown from 2nd Street, but now she live in the US.
Tutu. Well, I might be know you because we run up and down across the gully, and we're in the US now, and I get this from you. I thank you very much. God bless you and keep you. I really appreciate it. God bless you. I really do good. I hear that. You saw that situation. God will bless you for this, what you did me. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much.
Yeah, so. All strong, you remember me? It's all strong. Everyone that sees and understand and know what you've been going through. We just want to thank all the donors that will reach out to you. It's really a blessing, so we really give thanks for that, for them to reach out to you, because you're definitely in need of some financial support. Once you can't have the food, just make sure you always eat, your daughter eat, eat more fruits, buy yourself some fruits as well, because these things can help. Because you also a viewer, she said her daughter was the same thing, and she feed her daughter pure fruits, and she's all clear now by eating fruits. So make sure you always have fruit in your diet as well too. So I want to thank all the donors them that reach out to Raquel. Really give thanks, and thank you so much for your support. God bless you all. The men of food basket never empty. It's really speechless to know what's been going on for she and our daughter. And it's really a blessings for all the donors them that reach out for Raquel. So Raquel, you can still all the donors them a big thanks, and God guide them on them way.
Thank you very much, everyone that support me. God bless you now and keep you always. Thanks very much. I really appreciate it. Thanks very much. God bless you all.
So stay care. If anything comes up again, me come back and check here. But don't make yourself run out of medication again. Just always know so you have it. So if you see that run out, just try to go with a week in advance. You don't. Because once you take it, you will be alright. There's nothing for you to worry about. You live a normal life just like anybody else. So the main thing, have your food and your medication, and you're good. Then your daughter. So you have to strong fear, right? You have to be the fear. Okay? Yeah. Until next time.
Alright.
Look at that here.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kira Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.